What's this? Oh, geez, this way. Kleiner boss, flying boss Kleiner. Oh no, say Isaac Kleiner.
Some special ways of making money.
Oh, okay.
You wanna see?
Okay.
Well, look at what I caught Fred doing.
Oh my god!
Oh wait, is that custom bomb?
Yeah, maybe.
Okay, this should solve it. Oh, wow, I got that. Yes, you did it. You should be able to. Huh? What if it's still up? Did you miss something? Hello? Oh no. Chris, I can't believe you made those mess. Huh? I guess I landed on the switch, turned off the force field. Let's go, Chris. Wow. That was cheese. Cheese. Cheddar. Chris? You're not gonna touch that cheese, are you? I am going to touch the cheese. Rub the cheese down like a beloved pet. Suddenly... What? Mouse? Ooh. I never want to see cheese ever again. Cheese is destroying the heart of the battle. Feels like he lost sight of what was important. Cheese. Ooh. Chris, don't touch the cheese. Oh no, it's another mouse. I? Huh? This didn't seem to work. Chris, the block one's falling. No, help me. IL? What are you doing? Maybe. Huh? Sorry, Chris. You saved me, didn't you? Someone's falling too. Chris, whatever you did, just keep doing it. Oh shit.
Hey, that fucking bird that I hate.
That fucking bird that I hate. That fucking bird that I hate.
That fucking bird that I hate.
Chris, stuck on this puzzle? No? Shut the fuck up, Birdie. Sound is not Chris. Stuck on a puzzle? Oh, she got up. Chris, shut up, Chris. Shut up. Birdley, shut up. Birdley, shut up. It's so annoying. Birdley, shut up. Birdley, shut the fuck up! Oh shit! Bro! Birdley, this is all your fault! I don't do that! Hello, mouse? How did you? You saw that? Without your fault. Your broken clock is the right one, once a day. And Chris, if anyone asks, I solved the puzzle. Shut up! Not fair for you to get extra credit for a fluke. Got it. No one thinks otherwise, especially Susie. And she just loaded over me. Wow. Gosh. No, I don't think I'm afraid of mice anymore. Actually, I think they might be kind of cute. Anyway, let's keep going. I was not immune to mice. No! Make my stick. Back to the trash. Found $20. $20. Thank you. Go to the trash. Found $80. Holy. No! Pop up and mouse. Oh no, that means there's another.
That fucking bird that I hate.
Listen to me, friend. My coding as the bird is supposed to repeat what you just accidentally just said into the mic, but I want to take this time and make you know that you are really loved. You have a great support circle of friends and family, along with me. I love you. Know that you are loved.
Uh-oh. No, what the hell are you doing with Chris? We have a truce. A truce with Chris? Ah, that's impossible. That'd be double truces. Huh? Worry not, my dearest Noah. I know what you really want to say. You do? Going along with all this, you feel forced, don't you? So you're not with the queen right now. Bradley, you get it? Yes, I do. Chris is forcing you to be on their side. Kidnapper, Chris. Our truce is over. Noah, this might hurt, but it's to help you. But just listen to me. Stupid bird.
That fucking bird that I hate.
You're smart. Encourage Noah to use her mind. Her magic and Chris barely found her smart appealing. Chris, I get it. Your head's gotten big from solving that. What the frick is this? What the hell frickin' attack is this? Burley tries to entice Noah, side by Garen his lips. You acted like you were an idiot next to Burley's genius. Ah, Chris, shame I once defeat someone so lowly. She like, President, now you think it's your chance to serve me. Take my most precious thing, Noah! I freaking hate Burley so much.
That fucking bird that I hate.
Ah! Oh my god, bro. Difficult. This one. Chris barely found his most appealing. This one, Chris, thing you will never have. Yo, camera!
That fucking bird that I hate.
No! What the hell? This is so difficult. Jebel's literally. Okay, wait, I have to heal. That's right, Chris. I'm like you. You'll never beat us fighting alone. Hey, wait. There's no other reason mine. No, that's smart. My eyes are gone. I probably shopping queen search for me. Shut up, Chris. Okay, if you're not saying anything. Oh shit. This attack's difficult. Oh my god. Seven more guys. I don't need to do that. Just wait, the original ones are gonna come back any minute now. They're gone. I spared them. What? Oh shit, these things are speeding up. Oh my god.
Fucking bird that I hate.
No one's about to die. Why are you hitting me? Don't worry, it's part of my calculations. Not very well calculated then. Ow. I'm sure there's no other user mine. Yes. If I take Chris, this is a punishment. Oh, I'm getting good at this. I'm getting good at this. I'm learning. So you can dodge this, Chris. Yeah, I can dodge that. Very easy. Oh my god. Not that easy. 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 Oh. I don't want to use the club stand. Oh. What happened? Grab me strength. Ow. I'll use mine. No, I can smart. You won. Burley, stupid bird.
Fucking bird that I hate.
Damn it. Burley, are you okay? Chris, maybe we should have gone easier on him. Go easier. You were going easy mode. It was me. You look exhausted. I'm only tired of holding back my true power. I know. It'll be too simple to save you now. Just go ahead and train your strength values. Try hard, and maybe someday you'll be a worthy rival. Sometimes I can't believe how cool I am.
Fucking bird that I hate.
Burley's so just listen to me. Burley's so freaking annoying. I hate him.
Fucking bird that I hate.
Make chicken nuggets. Is that what it said? No, honey, where are you? Shit. Oh no, here she comes. No, energy battery acid 5. Oh, Chris, perfect timing. Oh, no more pie. Have you seen
that fucking bird that I hate?
Oh, look, she's queen. Circuits, crits, get in the car.
That fucking bird that I hate.
My queen, where are you? Bet you gamer's delight. She's not here. Freaking barely. That was close. Chris, who's your friend? My face recognition software does not compute them. And yet, something about them seems cool. Robotic even. Chris, you must try to find out. Everyone get in the car. Chris, press directions to steer. Why would I steer? Chris, don't hit the cars. Why am I the one steering? So much traffic isn't wonderful. Liners love traffic. They look it up all the time. I must love hitting all these cars. Actually, she might not. Stop everything. Chris, get the banana. Okay. Potassium. Thank you. Here comes the crossing. Get ready to stop. My circuit's a traffic jam. Dog must have wandered in the road again. Press B and go press the walk button. It's over on the other side of the road. I'll go too. No, I'm gonna stay. So you hear all my mixtape. Okay. Just hurry up, please. How do I go through? I'll go this way. Oh! Who's that? Hey, it's me. Everybody's favorite #1 rated salesman 1997. Spam to G. What was that? Huh. Oh, if it isn't a light. No. Hey, yay! It's like you're all alone on a late night. All your friends abandoned you for that slime. You are? Sales gone down the drain. Living in a goddamn garbage can. Nah. You're a big shot. Well, I have a special deal for lonely hearts like you. If you lost control of your life, then you're just gonna grab it by silly strings. Be the little sponge who hates it. $4.99 life. Then you can be big shot. Jeez. Sorry, I had a chance to be a big shot. And I have just thing you need. That's hyperlink blocked. You want it? You want hyperlink blocked, don't you? Well, I have a deal for you. All you have to do is show me your heart-shaped object. You're a lightener, aren't you? You have to light. Why don't you show it off? Whoa. Don't you want to be a big shot? Hey, I never seen a heart-shaped object like that before. My eyes are just burning. Like DVDs of any half movie at half price. I have a very special deal for you, kid. Tell me more. That's the attitude, you little slime. Deals like this only come once in your ant-sized, rapidly shrinking life. Meet local singles straight from my... Whoa, these little Spamptons. Little Spamptons. Big shot. Be a big shot. Believe it or not, I used to be a big shot. The biggest, but now, the little generosity. Yum, delicious Cromer. Do you have any more? You felt your Cromer being absorbed. Wrong choice? Press F1 for help. Deals? Values? Deals? Values? Cheap prices. Ah! There's nothing wrong. Deal. Yeah, I need a little more generosity. Don't give. That's right, and I don't mean money. I'm a salesman. I was never in it for the money. Here's Mick Cromer. This deck's easy. This deck's so easy. I was only entering for the freedom. Make your own deals. You can call your own shots. Sometimes in the morning, a little hyperlink blocked. Sounds good, doesn't it? You want to be your old pal Spampton. Take the deal. Take deal. Now that's what I'm talking about. You got guts, kid. That's discomfort, abnormal pain in my guts. Unload yourself. Be a big shot. Chance be a big shot. Be a big shot. Chance be a big shot. Heal deal. Deal and heal 60%. Don't worry, kid. I'll give you deal insurance. Only for the low price of 1,000 kroner. I'm surprised. An absolutely terrifying price. Price is so low, everyone I know is dead. Don't buy. What? You don't have enough wacky stacks? Kid, you're killing me. Ha 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 ha. Please stop killing me. I'll give you another deal. Help. No, not little Spamton. No, not little Spam. They look little Spam man. Don't worry, kids. I'm an honest man. You just need your account details and the number on the back. Then you can enjoy the 1,000 free kroner. Refuse. What? You don't need it? That's a real big shot move, kid. You're like me. Desperate. But now we know what we want, don't we? Wild prizes, hot singles, 100 customer, most of all, hyperlink block. Can we take the final deal? Remember, this is up to you. I won't force you. No deal. Wrong. No deal. Wrong. No. Wrong. Why is it getting longer? Wrong. 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 It's getting bigger. Fine. Then deal's a deal. On to the next step. I'll be waiting at my home storefront site in the trash area close for repairs. Come along. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more hyperlink block. Yeah, be like him. Like and subscribe. Get it. You just have to try to find Noelle. Put on the high beams. When she sees the Queen Sneaks, she'll come running. Why do you need to find Noelle so badly? What are you saying? The city is dangerous. Imagine poor Noelle clipping into a wall somewhere. What? Wasting away from potassium deficiency. You're actually worried about her? I would be if I wasn't going to find her. But why her? Wait, let me guess. Is it because she's weak enough to make it into your PN? No. It's the opposite. Because she's strong. Huh? Where did you... Chris, stop the car. Whoa. What's wrong with it? Oh. Phew. I was concerned because it hadn't exploded yet. Looks like we'll have time to split up on foot. Chris, if you see Noelle, tell her my knowledge of her preferences is absolute. If she needs proof, use this. Clear mistake. When she's thrown into your key items. Toodles! Phew. So I feel like we're almost out of here. Let's go, Chris. Oh, it's close. Strange world, big city. So wild. Another puzzle. Go down here. Ooh. DE. This shit makes my head spin. I didn't mean it in a bad way, you know? You know? I wanted to go someplace, you know? Jess always told me she'd take me. Where's Des? Somewhere like this. Somewhere with shining lights. Don't you miss exploring, Chris? Back when the four of us were kids? Decommission from the graveyard? Never found anything interesting back there. If it's an I, it says decommission. Oh, D. Kinda thought I was scared. B? Well, for me, I feel nostalgic thinking about it. Wiping away tears with Azzy. as real. So he smells like cinnamon. So I didn't mind being scared if it meant someone would comfort me. Why can't I move? These little balloon guys. Oh shit. Oh no. She's coming back this way. Hide in that stall. Hey, check this out. Jesus. Sweet, right? Where's my prize? Here. Haha, nice. Wait, I actually don't want this. Okay, there, I have it now. Haha, you know that? Alright, Susie, you're not supposed to attack people with it. Yeah, watch me. Chris, there you are. Chris, check out my new attack. Whoa! You feel slightly healed. Hey, how's that? Meet the new healing master, Chris. She's a real master at it, Chris. Good. God, teaching you sarcasm was a mistake. Ah! Hey, Chris. What do you have there? Is that a gift for someone? Why do I give to Birdly? I think I want to give to Rase. There you go. I'm giving it to me? Chris. Never gotten a gift like this before. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm so happy I don't really know what to say. Okay. I'll win something for you too, okay? One baseball, please. Wait a second. Hello? What the hell are you doing in there? That's cheating. That joke there. I'm super cool joke you. I'm trying to work. Thump. Wait. Aren't you on their side? Huh? Wait. Please help me. Have a choose. That's right, you have a choose. You said I could be on your team. Oh, really? Well, first said so, I guess. I don't really want to kill you anyway. Ooh, heart's thumping. In line already. Okay. Chris also said I could be behind him. Okay, well, Chris said so. Wait. But 4 people!